Hi guys, and today we're going to talk about improving our posture. I know it's not program related, but I think it's important nonetheless. So let's get into it. And so the first thing you do for this basic exercise is have your head against the wall and put your fingers to your chin and push in and try to hold it for a second or two, like so. And you should feel a stretch on the back of your neck doing this. And I find it's fairly relaxing and fairly simple to do, nothing complicated or any machinery involved. And so for the second exercise, you just go up, put your head against the wall, like so, and just push shoulders up as high as you can against the wall. And do it again. I think I do it about 8 or 5 times here. And so after doing it 8 or 5 times, you collapse and bring your hands forward and arch your back so that you get that stretch. And you continue this until you feel that you're ready to move on. And thanks for watching my video about posture. If you want to watch more, here's my latest video on simplicity. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.